How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make the 9 circles effect on Geometry Dash. Now, of course, you can customize this to whatever you want to, but to make things easier and the video short, I've just put the simple blocks on my level itself. Now, you could make, of course, anything, but now that you've placed your blocks, the first thing that you want to do is to simply group them together, and you have to make sure that the blocks you have placed can input colors. So if you do something like this blocks right here, they won't actually reflect the rainbow effects that much. So you want to try using other blocks like this one right here, which is going to be this exact blocks. And then from there, you then want to group these blocks individually. So for the last layer, I have them at 3. For the second layer, I simply have them at 2. And of course, the last one is going to be number 1 right here. So let's just go ahead and click on 1, or to not mess everything up, I'll just select on default. Same with the remaining first layer right here. Now let's head over to our triggers, and then you want to put your trigger. Click edit objects, and basically for this one you want to select the channel number 1, and then let's do something like fade in effect, and we also have fade out. And for this one, I want to make the colors red. You simply want to copy and paste the pulse trigger right here. So let's just click on edit object, and for this one let's select 2, and then let's do something like blue, and then do the same thing, copy and paste it. So select this one, select copy and paste, select object, select the next layer, and for the last one, let's do something like green. So it will basically give you this effect right here where it will show you all of this trigger happening at once. So there might be a problem with my last trigger, so let me just select one, and then let's select red once again, and then we will have this trigger right here. So it's going to show up something like red, blue, and green. And so guys, this is only the basics of it. Of course, you can make this even better if you want to, but that's about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.